Hi everyone, my name is Pradul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another weekly vlog. I literally came back from Korea late last night, and today we're back to the grind. I have to go attend an event. It's an important event. I haven't been going to a lot of events, to be very honest, but it's important for me to go to events, especially for the brands that I really believe in. So I have to go today. I have to hit the road in like 10 minutes. I'm gonna quickly pack up my makeup and head out. Look what my mom packed me. This is my travel dabba with my favorite thing in the world, ढोकला.
Finally.
इतना मैंने खाने को मिस किया है. Indian food भी नहीं. I missed food in Korea.
Yeah.
Okay, finally makeup is done. I'm not happy with the way it's looking, but this is the best that I could do. By the way, there's Aditya here also. I love how Aditya is also coming with me to events and getting invited to events now. Where are we going, by the way? I forgot to tell them.
Bastion at the top.
For an Airbnb event. We love Airbnb, as you guys know, so we have to go and show up and support them. And और क्या बोलना था मुझे? कुछ नहीं, हम basically we're just getting a lot of work done. There's so much happening and we have to do so much. It's stressing me out quite a bit, but it's okay. We're gonna get done with this event, go home, have a team meeting and figure everything
Very
out.
important. We need to schedule everything with next 1 week. Literally 6 months later.
Okay, so it is the next day. I am done with my very minor surgery, corn removal surgery. It wasn't as bad. I was really just building it up in my head. जब मुझे एनेस्थेशिया के इंजेक्शंस दिए, those really hurt, like really hurt. But उसके बाद I was numb, so it was good. कल से मुझे सब लोग इतना पैम्पर कर रहे हैं, which is very sweet. I'm so sorry that the lighting is definitely a little bit off, but this is not a makeup video anyways. I'm just rushing to get ready for the day because I have a shoot day today. There are just so many things that are happening back to back. So basically, tomorrow we're throwing Manasi a bridal shower. I've been prepping for this for a while. Uske next दिन we're celebrating Shikhar's birthday 1 month in advance. A lot of us from the friend group aren't available during his birthday, so we were feeling just so bad and we really wanted to make up for it and make him feel special. So we're going to be celebrating Shikhar day 1 month in advance. ये सब के अलावा सबसे ज़्यादा stressful चीज़ है कि हमारा प्लानर लॉन्च होने वाला है. लास्ट मिनट तक इतना बैक एंड फोर्थ होता है हमेशा, एंड इट्स द मोस्ट स्ट्रेसफुल टाइम ऑफ द ईयर इन जनरल बिकॉज द प्लानर्स कमिंग एंड वी वांट इट टू बी रियली गुड एंड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स कैन गो रॉन्ग इन द प्रोसीजर. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ मनी इन्वॉल्व्ड. It's a very stressful time, let's just say that. But I think in this very video I'll be able to give you guys a flip through of the planner, the 2025 planner, our 7th planner ever. उसके अलावा भी बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. It's going to be a very crazy week in my life. You guys will see. Guilty of checking in after like 6-7 hours. Shoot day was successful, I would say, but मेरा पाँव बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. It's been a long day. So now I'm just gonna call it a night. Tomorrow's day is going to be fun but hectic. I'm gonna have to wake up early and there's a lot of prep that needs to be done tomorrow. Tomorrow is Manasi's bridal shower, as I mentioned already. I don't know the actual bridal shower, how much I'll document because we're gonna be so busy. But उसके पहले का prep, picking up her gift, other things that I need to pick up for her, I think I'll vlog that. Okay, so today's morning hasn't started on a very great note. Feeling very stressed and overwhelmed about the planner. I mean, it's usual, to be very honest. ये हर साल होता है, but just because वो हर साल होता है doesn't make it any easier. Everything's sorted. It's just like the little things that need to fall in place ASAP. Anyway, I got this delivery from Amazon. Hopefully this makes my day better. I've been waiting for this to come in. I hope it is what I expect. I mean, kind of. It's so cute. So I've been wanting a digital camera for a while. Let's see if this actually works. ये मैंने Amazon से खरीदा है. I want to take like lots of pictures. iPhone takes good pictures, but then जो camera का quality है ये है 44 megapixel and it has a flash. So it feels very lightweight. It can fit into any of my bags. My little silver lining for the morning. Turns out this is a kid's camera and I'm gonna have to return it. बहुत cute है दिखने में. ठीक है, I at least have साबुदाना खिचड़ी. Okay, so we are off for the day. I realized कि मेरा mood इतना खराब क्यों था सुबह. My periods are coming. I was cramping so bad, which is why my mood was also so bad. But it's okay. Today is going to be an exciting day, so I'm pumped. I have my suitcase with me with all the stuff. Now, first thing that we're doing is we're going to Vijay Sales. I have the expert with me, Aditya. Aditya is really good with like electronics and stuff like that. So he's done meticulous research on what kind of TV we should get Manasi and Sahil. So we're gonna go pick it up and then I'll go for the bridal shower.
टीवी डिलीवरी के लिए आज सबको चलना था. जगह 2 ही लोग का था.
7-Eleven.
जुगाड़, इंडियन जुगाड़. आणि पिल्लो दिखा तेरा. वाओ.
ये किधर से निकलता है? हाँ, निकलता है.
ये बंदा है कि पिल्लो है?
तो ये पहन के बैठेगा.
हाँ, अभी तो कुछ तो चाहिए ना.
करेक्ट है. ऐसे ही लेट जा. मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ ऐसे सीधा लेट जा.
Who's it?
See, told you. बोला मैंने आदि लोगों ने for sure.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Right? Whose birthday? Whose birthday?
आदित्य पूजा किसका बर्थडे है?
कैसे खोलेगी और किधर खोलेगी?
You also come.
या साहिल you also go. साहिल तो थोड़ा नीचे आ.
हाथ दिख नहीं रहा है.
मैं इसलिए चेंज किया मैंने.
इसमें टीवी.
क्या पता?
साहिल बहुत खुश होगा अगर ये टीवी होगा तो. Guys, he's so look at his face.
गाइस मेरा बैचलर था क्या?
Yeah, I think this is one guy thinking because Aditya was the one who told me to suggest
So
TV.
huge. Oh my god, guys.
you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. यार.
वो साइड का दरवाजा खोलना.
The त्रास. आराम से guys.
Essentials, daily essentials, guys. Cheers.
This one also. Okay, so I think that's it for today's day. How do you think it went?
I don't know. I was not there.
As in the TV wala. So okay, I'll summarize. So I think I know that she was expecting it. So basically, she didn't want like a bachelorette trip. वो उसको नहीं करना था. But obviously, we really wanted to surprise her, all three of us. So we decided to do like a bridal shower, come bachelorette.
But her intuition is very strong.
Yeah. So she knew that there was something coming, something was happening. So I don't think that was like a big surprise. But then I think she was happy with the way how it went.
So.
It was a cute day. Like we got to spend a lot of time with each other. बहुत मजा आया. Like we were playing games and all of that. And then I think she really liked the TV.
They really like the TV. Sahil and Mau, both of them really liked it. They should have seen their expression. Sahil was like, TV.
मुझे थोड़ा सा वो था. Like हम तीनों को ही थोड़ा सा टेंशन था कि पता नहीं कैसा.
नहीं अच्छा था because Sahil likes cricket and उसका वो cricket match देखने के टाइम पे प्रोजेक्टर पूरा सेम सेटअप करना था. So it's like बेस्ट है. TV लगाया. अच्छा है.
So I think that's it for tonight. I think it was a success.
Good job.
All three of us, Alfia,
Yeah,
Ashi.
all of you.
Yeah.
Good job.
Good night. See you tomorrow. Hello, welcome to the next day. Today as well, we're going to be doing something very fun. We're surprising a friend. Shikhar. We're celebrating his birthday exactly 1 month ago. I think I already mentioned this to you guys. So let's go quickly change for the day. Okay, I am all ready for the day. So Shikhar is a very sporty person. So the entire day is going to be us playing a lot of different sports. So हमने सबने matching jerseys बनवाई है. So we've split all of our friend group into like 2 teams. So I'm in this team and I'm wearing my favorite number. 44. I mean, clearly, I love 4. I've gotten it tattooed on my body. Okay, so I'm just getting ready for the day and I'm gonna talk to you guys kind of through everything that we're thinking of doing today. By the way, this is what I am using to cleanse my skin. BRB. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna go play some laser tag. As I said, he loves sports and anything fun. So we're going to be doing laser tag. We found this really good place in our city mall. मैं details नीचे छोड़ दूंगी in case you want to try this out with your friends. Skin's feeling एकदम nice and clean. Next step is toner. I've recently really gotten into toners. I think it happened right before I left for Korea, where I was doing a lot of research about skincare. So this is the one that I'm using. Love the packaging because it's so convenient to use. Just like that, you're done. But I will tap it into my skin. This product gives you that glass skin effect. Coming back to what I was saying, today's plan. Did I mention that it's a surprise? Like, he has absolutely no idea that it's gonna happen. And I think we've done a really good job at keeping it under the wraps. So I'm really excited to see what he's going to say and what his reaction is going to be like. Skincare khatam kar lete, fir aage ki baat batati hu. This is step number 3, a serum. This one in particular is perfect for today. I'm going to be running around all sweaty today. So this is so lightweight, but at the same time, very hydrating. Now this serum has rice water, so it really helps with the texture and also to brighten up your skin tone. And there's also niacinamide in here, which really calms your skin down and helps you with your pores. This is what my skin is looking like. थोड़ा और close up आ गई हूँ मैं just to show you. बिल्कुल भी sticky नहीं लग रही है मेरी skin. Skin's definitely doing better than what it was a few weeks ago. It's all about being consistent with your skincare, and I hope I get my skin back to what it was soon. Of course, as always, all the products that I've used, I'll make sure to link them down below so that you too can check it out for yourself. I also have a very special coupon code right here, so you can use it to get extra discounts. These products are available on Nykaa and also Plum Goodness's official website, so definitely go check out the description box. Before I go do my makeup, let me just quickly complete what I was saying. So पहले जाएंगे laser tag, फिर हम खेलने वाले हैं turf पे. We've booked a turf because Shikhar is obsessed with playing cricket. So हम cricket खेलेंगे, maybe some other games also, and then we're gonna end the day with a tea party. He's obsessed with tea, so tea had to be a part of it. And snacks थोड़े लाएंगे. We've gotten a custom cake made cricket themed. So that is the agenda for today. I'm gonna go do my makeup and I'll see you on the other side.
Changing casually in a parking lot, learning from the best.
Whom are you referring
You've
to?
done this multiple times.
Yeah, we're just changing into our jerseys.
Oh, wow.
तूने बदल लिए कपड़े?
Yes.
Okay. Dispersion. हाँ. ये देख. ये तो देख.
We are 2 teams.
Yeah, we're two teams.
You'll see what's about to happen. ब्लू कलर के लिए लोग झगड़ रहे हैं. Oops.
All set.
ठीक है, हम white दिख रहे हैं अच्छे से.
Oops, too bad. We just got done and that was insane. So much fun. 30 minutes का ही होता है, but बहुत मजा आया and I'm sweating, but it was so much fun. I'm gonna try to show you what it looks like. It's very dimly lit. things out. Let's see if it works. Show everyone your nails, Madhura. We have matching nails for the shoot.
दूर जा रहे तो ब्लू हो रहा है पास आ रहे
DIY hacks to get that perfect light. Currently, we're not able to find it though.
First freebie done. We are on to the second one.
Finally, at least start हुआ. We were struggling for so long. मुझे बहुत stress हो गया था मैं ठीक. Confetti placement also has to be perfect. Update is not much honestly. It's been a while since we started, but कुछ इतना हुआ नहीं. But it's okay. It's an important shoot, so we're taking our time with it. Don't see, yeah. मैं पहले पढ़ रही हूँ, ठीक है? I attract what I talk about, so I only speak positive words.
Oh. Who's next? Sai?
Everything that is happening now is happening for my ultimate good.
Wow, nice.
Adi, your turn.
I am blessed beyond measure.
Okay. I let go of the past and trust that good things are happening to me.
Nice. Now I'll read mine. I am rising above fearful and doubtful thoughts. Ooh, chalo guys.
ये करना है इसको बाहर से planner free with the planner.
What are you doing?
Back end, making the product on the website, final tick marks, ताकि कुछ mistake ना हो when people place the order. पूरा smoothly flow हो.
How stressed are you on the scale of 1 to 10?
Stress लेके क्या ही है? अभी जो है वो है, यही planner है, यही launch करना है.
Are we done?
Stress लेके क्या ही करना है?
We are selecting pictures and sending it to the editor.
I'm all ready for the day. For the day ने मेरा shoot. अभी बज गए हैं almost 8 o'clock and we still haven't shot with me yet. Just अभी तक products का ही shoot चल रहा है. बहुत ही अनप्लेजेंट एंगल है ये.
अप्रूवल देने का
तरीका थोड़ा
कैजुअल है.
Yeah, I think we got it.
Yeah.
Yes. Back up. This is what the walk-in wardrobe looks like. The whole of today has been so crazy, literally so crazy. It's literally night time right now. All I've been doing today is trying outfits, packing, and one more thing which I can't talk to you guys about. The walk-in wardrobe actually is not looking as bad. We've like wrapped it up, so it's looking decent as compared to what it was before. But the day is still not over. So today is Kashish's birthday and we're surprising her yahin pe ghar pe. So I'm just gonna quickly pack everything up in 10 minutes and then I'm gonna go upstairs and set everything up. So basically the theme is yellow and like sunshine because she's like sunshine. She's the sunshine. So we have lots of yellow flowers and yellow is gonna be the vibe. यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसे floral decor करने का सोच रही हूँ. And then this table is gonna be where all of us sit and do a sip and paint situation. I think you guys might have seen. Do you know? Have you seen this? Where people, there's a canvas and then your canvas keeps switching every 10 minutes.
Okay.
So your artwork will be like an amalgamation of your friend group. It's like cute.
सब मिलके chaos.
सब मिलके chaos. So पहले थोड़ा clean करते हैं table. Okay, so it's been a few days. I have a good news and a bad news as well. So the good news is that the planner launch went really well. You guys really liked the new size of the planner. It's much more smaller, compact. Love the freebies, love the way how it looked. So the launch went very well and you guys are receiving it very, very well. So I'm so grateful for that. Now coming to the bad news is that our warehouse mein aag lag gayi and we have lost stuff worth lakhs of rupees. By the way, it wasn't just our warehouse, it was a third-party warehouse where there were a lot of other brands like makeup brands. I know there was Boat, Flying Beast ka brand ka saman bhi wahan pe tha, lots of other brands. And that warehouse, I don't know how, but it's caught fire and all of our stuff is gone. Isme bhi ek silver lining hai that our planner hadn't reached there. So our planners are safe. All of our planners are safe, thank God. But all of our other stuff is burnt to the ground. We still don't know exactly how much. We're still waiting on that report. But a lot of it is gone. So we do have a backup place where your planners will be shipped out of. So that's a good thing. But basically, iske liye bahut kuch chal raha tha. I couldn't really sit down and give you guys the flip through. As you can see, I'm in a different location altogether because I'm traveling clearly and travel plans are made much in advance, right? So I had to still figure it out. I'm with a brand here, so I couldn't like delay this either. But regardless, flip through karna mandatory hai. It's something that I do every single year. I sit down with you guys, talk to you guys about the planner, the vision behind it, properly going through each and every single page. So putting aside everything that's gone wrong, let's talk about our planner because I feel like that has turned out really well. So this is what our 2025 planner looks like. As I mentioned earlier, it's a lot smaller, it's more compact, which is what you guys requested. This is something that will easily fit in your purse, in your backpack. बहुत ही छोटा और compact बनाया है. And as you can tell from the cover, it's music themed. So I want to give credit where credit is due. Aditya was the one who came up with the idea of it being music themed. So I feel like this year has been a year where I personally have kind of really listened to a lot of songs for comfort and for peace. And I feel like songs can really change your mood. Like I feel like whenever I'm feeling low, just listening to a playlist that I've curated for myself cheers me up, changes my mood all the way around. So the whole idea was that your year is your playlist and this planner is your self-growth playlist. So we've assigned a song to every single month and obviously the relevance of each song is different. So there's a theme to every single month. For example, the theme for January is reigniting your passions. And then of course there's an activity that goes along with it. February is about embracing self-love and everyday joy. So again, there's an activity that goes along with it. And there's a very fun song that also goes along with it. I really hope that you take the time to read everything that we've written because we've tried to really articulate everything and the meaning behind a song, the meaning behind an activity. In fact, there are 2 activities every single month. So yeah, that was basically the whole idea behind the planner. And talking about the color scheme, you guys wanted it to be still colorful, but not super bright and vibrant. So the whole color scheme of this planner, like randomly मैं ये page खोल रही हूँ, there's still color, but it's a little more muted, I would say. एक और example है, ये भी color है, but बहुत ही muted colors है. Let's talk about the fun part now, which are the freebies. So along with our planner, you get a few freebies. Few नहीं actually काफी सारे. So we have 5 sticker sheets that go along with your planner. So we have like a work boss babe sticker sheet, a really cutesy I'm just a girl travel ke liye sticker sheet, workout, health, diet, and of course we had to do like a music themed sticker sheet also because obviously a cute mini notebook which says you're a song in progress. By the way, this fits perfectly in the pocket. We have a wall calendar as well. So basically these are individual month pages that you can stick on your wall. They're really good quality and super fun, but not over the top colors. So you can use this as decor, wall decor, and it looks very, very beautiful. That way, not only is it functional because it's a calendar, but it also looks very pretty. And my most favorite, the affirmation cards. So basically ये है deck of 52 cards जिसका artwork इतना beautiful है. It's like that aura artwork. Again, very muted colors. The idea is that you shuffle the deck and you pick a card, and whatever the universe wants you to know, you get that message. So today I've gotten, I know that better times are right around the corner. Again, the artwork is so pretty. Okay, I've spoken enough. Let's get started with our flip through. Okay, so this is what the cover looks like, up close and personal. As always, we have a vintage object, which is the gramophone, the golden edges, the golden foil. बट हमने टाइटल में भी इस बार गोल्डन फॉइल डाला है. आई पर्सनली लव द आर्टवर्क. आई थिंक इट लुक्स सो नाइस. लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ द पेजेस इनसाइड. सो सबसे पहले वी हैव अ कोट. Your life is your music. Write it, play it, dance to it. And then this is where you write your name. We have our credits page and a little note from Aditya and I. The vision board. So the reason why I've added these little columns is just for a prompt. You don't have to stick pictures iske andar. You can go all out, make a collage, or you can also write things down if you don't want to do the whole picture situation. We will be making our vision board together. Not right now. I feel like it's too soon right now to make it. But yeah, this is a great tool. I personally make a vision board every single year without fail. We have the mandatory goals page, 2025 goals. This is a new page. Now this basically is a space for you to kind of visualize the new you. It's a new year. It's time to reinvent yourself. So there are questions like, what do you look like? So what are you hoping to look like? That's what you have to describe. How do you treat people around you? How do people around you treat you? Who are your closest friends and what are your relationships like? So basically this is a page for you to really manifest your new era. So यहाँ पे मैंने थोड़े ideas दिए हैं of things that you could add to your goals, because I always get these questions that you're confused as to what you want to add. So there are some ideas in case you want to refer to this. And then this is kind of like a thing that you want to circle. So what are your core values? So you circle whatever you want your core values to be like, whatever you want your passions to be like. Very fun and very easy to fill out. विश लिस्ट, नीड्स एंड वॉन्ट्स, ये हर साल के प्लानर में होता है और ये मेरा फेवरेट पेज है. रीडिंग लिस्ट. आई फील लाइक इफ यू आर नॉट समवन हु रीड्स, maybe this could be a year for you to read. Do some research, write down a bunch of books, buy them from Amazon, and make this your reading era. 25 things to do in 2025. I love making bucket lists. I love making lists. There's no secret to that. I think it's such a great way to put things down on paper and actually make it happen. फिर यहाँ पे timeline. So basically timeline is things that you want to get done, but it's a great place for you to segregate कि by May I really want to get this job, or by August I want to manifest my dream body. I want to work on it. I want to give myself 8 months to work on myself. Stuff like that. Period tracker. And then this time I've added this new page wherein it talks about your menstrual cycle, your follicular cycle, your ovulation, and your luteal phase. So different phases of the menstrual cycle. It's very, very insightful. You must read it if you're not aware of it. Breast examination, very, very important. Make sure that you scan this code if you don't know how to examine your breasts. Do it every single month and write down whatever comes up. Just added a notes in case you want to write stuff down. Of course, we have the entire year at a glance. And then यहाँ से शुरू होता है January. So, as I mentioned earlier, this is music based. So, the song for January is Blinding Lights. Beautiful artwork, and also you can scan this code on Spotify and the song will play. Blinding Lights इसके लिए choose किया because it's such a high energy track, and this song is almost about reigniting your passions and about bold beginnings, which is perfect for January. उससे corresponding we have an activity. So there are 2 activities on each page, and by the way, every month the activity is different. So as I said, it's all about reigniting your passion. So यहाँ पे मैंने एक goal planner डाला है so that you can actually track your goals and plan your goals in a more organized fashion. We have the monthly spread, and then this is also a newer page. Basically, this is for you to really plan out your day. You can fill it out whatever day it is of the week, and then how you're feeling, 3 things I'm grateful for, your top priority for the day. So basically what I've realized is that to-do list banana is great, but it's so important to write down what your priorities are for that day. Otherwise, you just end up doing the not important stuff, and then the important stuff you end up procrastinating. So this is kind of like a daily planner almost. Then we of course have the monthly vision. Great place to write down things that you really want to get done for that month. So in terms of health, work, academics, whatever you are into, fun, adventure, and then personal, spiritual. And then यहाँ से weekly spread start होता है. So of course there is space for you to write stuff down every single day. So I know a lot of people either use this to plan your week, like write things down that need to get done, or I know people also use this kind of like a mini journal. So this can be used for both. And then यहाँ पे मैंने to do list के boxes भी add किए ये साल. So that's here, the whole weekly spread. And then of course we have the habit tracker. Everyone loves the habit tracker. In case you don't know how to use it, you write down the habit that you wanna kind of track basically. So say workout, and then how many ever days you've gone to work out, you circle or you color it out or you cross or take whatever floats your boat, you do that. And then by the end of the month, you get to see your progress. Similarly, यहाँ पे workout log भी डाला. Last year भी था ये and people really liked it. So of course we included it this year as well. Then we have the meal tracker, which is actually something that I use, and I like to write down my lunch and dinner. So basically you can write down all your meals that you want to eat and you don't have to think too much. Everything's written ki Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday क्या खाना है, and then after 1 week it repeats itself. Then of course we have the monthly reflections. Basically, how did your month go? If things didn't go the way you wanted to, that's fine. So I release XYZ and I intend to do XYZ in the next month. And then you can also write down your progress of the month. To-do list, notes, just extra space for you to write down whatever you want to. And then here we have February. I'm going to actually show you a few more artworks. This one I really love. I think it turned out so beautiful. And then ये गाने के साथ corresponding, there is a activity. So ये page पे affirmations add किए so that you can read them out, you can feel good about yourself. But then of course there are 2 activities also that go hand in hand. And of course that continues for every single month. Different activities and a different page altogether. So once you're done with half of the year, there is a mid-year review, half-year review. Basically a place for you to really reflect. For example, things have not gone the way you wanted to in the first 6 months. That's okay. You have the next 6 months. Or things have gone great. It's great to really observe what have you done for it to go well. So yeah, there are a bunch of activities for you to do. यहाँ पे थोड़े से cues भी दिए, prompts दिए for the kind of things that you could potentially do in the next 6 months. And then the same thing, July, August, September, October, November, December. Coming to the last few pages, पीछे का part of the planner, we have a travel planner and a packing list in case you're traveling. This page is going to be so handy. I always make my packing list in the planner. Usually I just make one and then I refer to it for the rest of the year. So बहुत ही अच्छा like sections दिए. So clothes and shoes, toiletries, accessories, fun and adventure. So you can add random things here and then other essentials. Your 2025 favorites. So a place for you to really kind of document your 2025. Again, 2025 in a review. This is more like fun and then this is more serious. Gentle questions to ask yourself on a hard day. So for example, if you're having a hard day, this is a page that you need to open up and fill. I feel like this will really help you. And then again, a brain dump. If you're feeling overwhelmed, if there's too much happening in your life, fill this out. Similarly, worry jar. If you're feeling worried, if you're feeling anxious about stuff, just write it down in this jar. I feel like just writing things down somehow make you feel so much better. And then we have the very famous coloring pages. Everyone loves these coloring pages, adult coloring pages. So we've added a few pages. And with that, we've come towards the end. We of course have a mini pocket which can fit your stickers or it can fit your mini notebook or anything that you really want to. And that's it. One more look at the cover, the beautiful 2025 My Self Growth Playlist Planner. Let's talk about the price. So the planner, the 5 sticker sheets, the wall calendar, the mini notebook, and the deck of 52 affirmation cards. All of this you're gonna get for rupees 999 right now. This is a launch offer. Obviously, eventually prices badhenge, but this is the price for now. So definitely go check it out. Website is right here, www.simbalifestyle.com. Oh, also we do have some combos, so you can buy the entire planner with the freebies and the gratitude journal, or you can buy the planner, freebies and the 5-year journal, or you can buy all 3 of the things. So the gratitude journal, the 5-year journal, and our planner and the freebies as well. I think it's such a great combo to have, especially because we're starting the new year. So I feel like these journals, all of them have been made with so much love and intention, kind of designed to really help you. So yeah, all the links are going to be down below in the description box. I think with that, I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this week in my life. It definitely was such a crazy week, but it was a great balance of work and life. This year really was about prioritizing friends and family along with work, and this vlog really summarized that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and if you made it so far to today's vlog, make sure to leave this emoji. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.